Not sure how to treat cuts and burns the right way? We're here to help. Hello, I'm Simon, a pharmacist at Boots. In this video, I'll answer common questions around how to treat minor cuts and minor burns safely at home, why cuts sting, what to do if someone cuts their finger, and which products can help healing. What counts as a minor cut or burn? Minor cuts and burns are common injuries that usually heal on their own with the right care. They don't need stitches or emergency treatment. Injuries such as small cuts or grazes, shallow finger cuts, minor burns or scalds with red skin, and injuries with no heavy bleeding or deep tissue damage. What to do if someone cuts their finger? If someone cuts their finger, quick and simple first aid can reduce the risk of infection and help it heal faster. Wash your hands. Rinse the cut under clean running water. Gently clean the skin around the wound. Pat the area dry and cover the area. Why do cuts sting? Cuts sting because the injury exposes tiny nerve endings in the skin. When air, water or chemicals touch them, it triggers pain signals to the brain. Does Vaseline help heal cuts? Petroleum jelly such as Vaseline doesn't disinfect a cut, but it can help keep the wound moist and protected once it's clean, which supports healing. However, wounds showing signs of infection, such as oozing pus, increasing redness and swelling, or hot to touch, should not be covered with petroleum jelly, as it can trap bacteria and worsen the infection. How to treat a minor burn? For a minor burn, acting quickly can reduce skin damage and pain. Stop the burning process as soon as possible. This may mean removing the person from the area, dousing flames with water, or smothering flames with a blanket. Do not put yourself at risk of getting burnt as well. Remove any clothing or jewellery near the burned area of skin, but do not try to remove anything that's stuck to the burnt skin, as this could cause more damage. Cool the burn with cool or lukewarm running water for 20 minutes as soon as possible after the injury. Never use ice, iced water, or any creams or greasy substances like butter. Keep yourself or the person warm. Use a blanket or layers of clothing, but avoid putting them on the injured area. Cover the burn with cling film. Lay the cling film over the burn rather than wrapping it around a limb. A clean, clear plastic bag can be used for burns on your hand. Treat the pain from a burn with paracetamol or ibuprofen. Always check the manufacturer's instructions when using over-the-counter medication. Raise the affected area if possible. This will help to reduce the swelling. When to seek medical advice? Some cuts and burns need medical attention and shouldn't be treated at home. Call NHS 111 or ask for an urgent GP appointment if a wound is contaminated with soil or bodily fluids, you were bitten by a person or a wild or stray animal, a wound has signs of infection such as being swollen, red and getting more painful, or if pus is coming out of it. If the cut is larger than around 5 centimeters or 2 inches, or if you've cut yourself and also feel generally unwell or have a high temperature. Call 999 or go to A&E urgently if you can't stop the bleeding from a cut, if the blood comes out in spurts, is bright red and hard to control, if you lose feeling near the wound is very large or deep, or if there's something stuck in the cut, such as a shard of glass. Do not try to remove it yourself. Most minor cuts and burns can be safely treated at home with the right care. If you're unsure what to use or when to seek help, visit your GP or go to A&E. And if you're looking for more health-based content, make sure to like and subscribe to the Boots YouTube channel and check out our dedicated health hub for further advice and support.